Hello, today you're looking at a Campbell Hausfeld 3.7 horsepower air compressor brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 240 volts with a max PSI of 125. Overall dimensions 20 inches diameter by 64 inches high. It does come with a 60-gallon air tank there on the bottom. It is a single phase compressor. Take a look at the nameplate here. And we'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. If you're interested in this compressor, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.